According to the EPA and the American Lung Association, on average, inside air is 10 times more polluted than outside air, with most car interiors ranking down there with industrial plants in terms of air quality. Now you can literally breathe easier with Hygiene IQ, an easy-to-apply air purification system that uses groundbreaking photocatalyst nanotechnology to destroy car interior air pollutants on contact. Drawing its power from natural light, Hygiene IQ safely and hygienically coats all the interior surfaces of your vehicle to create a complete three-dimensional air purification system. It's not an air filter. It's not a scented chemical spray. Hygiene IQ is a powerful, invisible photocatalytic air purifier that not only removes contaminants from the air, it keeps them from coming back. Just one treatment of Hygiene IQ is all it takes to make your air so clean and pure that you'll notice a dramatic difference. Not just a difference you can smell, but a difference you can see. That's right, Hygiene IQ will not only remove dirty pollutants from the air, but it will remove them from all the surfaces inside your car. There's nothing else like it. The secret is Hygiene IQ's powerful photocatalyst nanotechnology that actually consumes air contaminants at a microscopic level. Drawing its natural power from sunlight, Hygiene IQ safely and silently eliminates virtually all pollutants.
I feel safer having her in the car. You do anything to protect your kids. And if this is one more thing I can do, then yeah, I feel better.
I think the fact that my kids and wife can breathe cleaner air, they don't have to suffer from my smoking habit, and it's actually helping me quit smoking.
It's an easy-to-apply air purification treatment that uses groundbreaking photocatalyst nanotechnology to destroy car interior air pollutants before they can get to you.
I'm sorry, what was that?
Supercalifragilistic. It's photocatalyst nanotechnology. It's like the way a plant turns carbon dioxide into oxygen.
Okay.
Photocatalyst means a light-triggered reaction, and the nanotechnology, that refers to the microscopic size of Hygiene IQ. See, it's the photocatalyst nanotechnology that actually consumes air contaminants at a microscopic level, and it draws its natural power from the sunlight. Hygiene IQ safely and silently eliminates virtually all pollutants. That's why we say with Hygiene IQ, it's the air purifier powered by nature.
Wow, so, you know, I've heard about something in the news lately about those, I'm going to call them light cleaning guys.
Very good. Yeah.
Right? Is that what I've been hearing about them?
Yes, it uses the natural sunlight. See, with Hygiene IQ, with the IQ, it's smart enough to do the work for you.
I get it. That's cute. Okay, IQ, Hygiene IQ. I like it. All right, so that's all you do, though, is just a spray and Hygiene IQ works?
Absolutely. One spray. That's all you do, and it does everything for you. Hygiene IQ actually sprays onto all the surfaces in your car and then uses light to break down all the pollutants that we were just talking about that land on the surface.
So all of the pollutants we've been talking about, all of those things you mentioned?
Every single one, and it includes the off-gassing.
Okay, so it sounds like that these little light cleaning guys, they actually are eating the pollutants.
That's exactly what they're doing. Hygiene IQ is so revolutionary, it's up for patents on its photocatalyst nanotechnology.
Light cleaning guys.
Right, and it doesn't mask pollutants and odors, it destroys them, leaving behind air that not only smells fresh, but it is fresh.
And it works throughout our whole car.
Right, the whole car. Hygiene IQ draws its power from the natural light, safely and hygienically coats the interior surface of your vehicle around pets, around kids, anything, and it basically creates a complete three-dimensional air purification system inside your car.
Okay, well, let's just confirm for everyone, though. Hygiene IQ is absolutely nothing like one of those common chemical aerosol sprays.
Oh, no. No, let's clarify that once and for all.
Okay.
Absolutely not. See, because first of all, aerosol sprays, they just mask the odors and essentially add more pollutants to your environment. You'll end up wearing one of these after you spray that stuff. Yeah. Hygiene IQ works to actually remove the actual pollutants themselves, not just cover them up, or worse, add more toxins.
And it removes it with the light-eating guys.
Photocatalyst nanotechnology.
All right, so that's how it works.
That's exactly how it works. See, and the secret to Hygiene IQ and what makes it so different than anything else out there, it works by a decomposition mechanism that eliminates and destroys these pollutants that cause the odors. Hygiene IQ is the most advanced product to actually remove these contaminants, remove them completely. And the best part is, just one application of Hygiene IQ is all you need to keep the air in your car fresh and odor pollution free all year round. After you apply Hygiene IQ, it keeps cleaning your air. You don't, it does, and it's guaranteed for a full year.
A full year? Gosh, and there's no filters to change or smelly aerosols, and you don't have to keep spraying.
No, you don't have to keep adding more and more. You don't have to spray every time because the odor is gone. And you can breathe fresh air whether your windows are up or down. Now, I want to show you why Hygiene IQ is so revolutionary.
Here we have 2 tiles originally white in color. One tile has been treated with Hygiene IQ coating and the other is left untreated. We then add the organic red dye on top of both tiles to simulate the harmful pollutants on the surface. And now let's watch what happened. The Hygiene IQ treated surface gradually breaks down the red dye or pollutants and converts it into harmless vapor. The untreated surface remains its red color without any effect.
So that's how it keeps purifying your air after a single application. All right, I'm getting this.
It's great.
But okay, now what's wrong with air filters? I mean, they don't work?
Well, not like Hygiene IQ. What they do is they remove the contaminated air to one location, and that's the filter itself.
Right.
They don't actually destroy the contaminants the way Hygiene IQ does. Hygiene IQ is maintenance-free and works without power, not just to filter the air. It will purify it. Hygiene IQ even works when your car is parked, it's turned off, and you're nowhere to be seen.
All right, well, there certainly seems to be no question that Hygiene IQ is the easiest and most effective way to clean the air inside your car and also to keep it clean. But how do we know it's really working?
With Hygiene IQ, clean air is odor-free air, so you will notice that right away. But I want you to see air quality meter.
Here we put a highly sensitive VOC meter inside a vehicle heavily polluted by cigarette smoke and other toxic chemical off-gases, and it detects an odor level of 535 parts per million. After we coded Hygiene IQ to multiple locations inside the car and let it sit under the sunlight, immediately we can detect the odor start to drop. Just in an hour later, the odor level is dramatically cut to more than half. Now, take another look at it again after 1.5 hours. Almost 85% of the odor is gone completely. Hygiene IQ's purifying process is oxidizing the pollutants into harmless gas and water vapor.
Okay, well, that's certainly convincing. The Hygiene IQ will keep purifying your air long after it's applied. I think that's great. And with no noisy filters or smelly aerosol sprays.
That's right. Hygiene IQ is silent, it's invisible, and it applies in seconds.
I like it. All right, well, let's give the folks at home a chance to try Hygiene IQ for themselves during this Incredible Discoveries risk-free trial. Don't miss it.